Hi everyone, my name is Cong Li. I'm the US head of TRON protocol in San Francisco. I'm going to introduce you the office here. The office is located in San Francisco Financial District. It's a very nice neighborhood. If you can see outside, we can see like the bay, the bridge, and all the nice buildings here. Currently, I'm sitting in the mini kitchen. So in this office, we have around 70 people from two BUs. The first BU is the storage BU, which originally known as BitTorrent, that was acquired by TRON a few months ago. And the other BU is protocol BU, which I'm managing now. So currently, this is the mini kitchen. People have lunch or sometimes dinner here. And then we have a lot of drinks and snacks, all kinds of food. So here, this is the place we have weekly Friday meeting here, all hands. It's a very nice place. Hey, Tian. Hey, everyone. Hey. How's it going?
Great.
Great. This is another place we have fun here. There's a pool table and football and some drink there. This working zone is the finance department. They're working hard to make sure like the company is running well. Hi, Deepak.
Oh, hey, Sam.
Hey, Deepak is our CFO of TRON.
Hello, camera.
You want to say something?
Yeah, so we're a pretty small team, but we're very effective. And it's a beautiful day in San Francisco, and it's a beautiful day in TRON. Thank you.
Great. Thank you. So here we have different meeting rooms here. All are very nice. We still have some places to hire new engineers, new people. This office is very special. So we have different places to stay. Like for this place, people sometimes stay here and have a talk. So we are entering the place like the storage BU, marketing team, product team stays. So I'm going to introduce our Chief Product Officer, Jody. Hi, Jody.
Hey, Tom. Good to see you.
How are you doing?
Doing great. Should I tell them about the 2018 product?
Sure.
All right.
Little bit.
So we are most of the way through our 2018 strategy, which was really to reinvest in the BitTorrent and µTorrent product line. Mm-hmm. And that means both desktop on Windows and Mac, and also on mobile with Android and iOS. So we already had a good release of µTorrent Web to some customers, and we're doing a bigger release soon. That product's going great, by the way. Pretty soon we're releasing the mobile products. We're literally days away from doing some of the first releases there. We're really excited to get some of our first real feedback from a wide population of users. And so far, everything's going really well with the product this year.
Great. I'm also very excited.
Yeah, so are we.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
So this is the protocol BU, marketing and translation. Hi, Dan. This is the protocol BU engineers area. Today we have a few community developers here working on some stuff in our office. That's Zach. Hi. Hi, Mr. Wu. Here's our HR department. We have Kelly and Ken. Hi. This is the place like we have people are working on the Atlas project, which was announced by our CEO, Justin, a few weeks ago. This is also Justin, the product. Hey. The last section are the storage BU engineers. So let's go say hi to them. Hello. Hey.
Hello.
Everyone is smiling and busy. Hi, Dave.
Hello.
How are you doing? Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
Dave here, head of engineering for the BitTorrent side. This is the team that does all the magic behind all the clients.
Yeah.
So all the µTorrent, BitTorrents, all are done here. QA engineers, designers, everybody.
Engineers, most of
Yep.
the engineers.
Mostly engineers and QA. So
Great. Hi, Janet. You're busy.
Hello.
Want to say something?
Yeah, I'm working on the µTorrent site and have been working here for 6 years.
Oh, 6 years.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We have just moved to this office a few weeks ago. It's a very nice area. We are still hiring very aggressively. Check our website, and we are looking forward to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.